Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen, she's super well respected in the finance world, but she hasn't been a fan of Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies. In fact, she came out multiple times over the last few years and said she ain't about that game. Well, I don't know what happened, but somehow Janet Yellen, she's done a 180. And Janet Yellen, not only is she a fan of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, but now she's out here preaching the good word. What am I talking about? In a recent speech, listen right here to what Janet Yellen had to say about Bitcoin.
In 2008, a person or group of people using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto proposed a decentralized peer-to-peer system for making and processing payments. A key challenge in digital payments is to prevent the same assets from being spent twice. The Bitcoin white paper proposed a novel method for validating transactions using cryptography that address the so-called double spend problem. This and other innovations related to distributed ledger technology are the foundation for blockchain-based digital assets.
What? I had to watch that like 6 different times. I for sure thought that was a fake video. I thought, where they go ahead and they use the ventriloquist, or maybe it was some sort of edited thing. Nope, I triple checked. It's real. Janet Yellen is all in on the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency train. What does that mean for the United States? I'm not really sure. Does this mean the United States is going to create regulation that's friendly? Probably. Does it mean that the Treasury or the Federal Reserve may go start buying Bitcoin? Unlikely. What I do know is that eventually everyone capitulates. Janet Yellen spent years and years and years knocking against Bitcoin, but now she's up here, literally giving history lessons. Who's Satoshi? How does the double spend problem work? Why is a blockchain valuable? That is a pretty big turnaround from somebody who couldn't even bring themselves to say Bitcoin in many of her speeches years ago. And so ultimately, this is what we're going to watch happen. Politicians, regulators, appointed people, and CEOs of various companies, they're all going to capitulate. Don't listen to what they did say. Just watch what they're going to have to do. Bitcoin is a global phenomenon. There's 150 plus million people around the world that hold it. It's a decentralized digital payment system. It is superior to all other payment rails. Janet Yellen realizes that. She did her homework. She's now all in on the Bitcoin game. And your favorite politician, appointed official, or CEO, they're going to be right behind her. Bitcoin's inevitable, and we're just starting to see the long, long line of people who are going to have to capitulate and join the Bitcoin game. Hey you, did you like this video? Great, we make 5 of them a day and post them here on this channel. Make sure you're subscribed, like the video, and see you next time.